Noticing weaker legs? Your diet might be to blame. Welcome to our channel, everybody. As we get older, we start to think about our health in new ways. We want energy, vitality, and the ability to keep doing the things we love. And what's more important for that than strong legs? Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: the foods we should avoid to maintain strong and healthy legs as we age. It's about making choices that nourish our bodies and support our well-being. Let's get started. Now let's talk about sugar. It's everywhere, from our morning coffee to our evening desserts. We all know sugar isn't the best for our bodies, and it's often labeled as unhealthy. But did you know it can actually weaken your legs? It's true. Excessive sugar intake can lead to muscle weakness and pain, especially in your legs. Those sugary drinks, the sodas, the sweetened juices, they might taste good in the moment, but they can lead to inflammation throughout your body. This inflammation can be particularly harmful to your muscles. And inflammation, my friends, is like a sneaky thief, robbing you of your strength and vitality. It silently works against your body, causing more harm than you might realize. It can make your legs feel heavy, achy, and even contribute to muscle loss. Over time, this can significantly impact your mobility and overall quality of life. Think about it. When you drink a soda, you're not giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Instead, you're filling it with empty calories that offer no real benefits. You're just giving it a sugar rush, followed by a crash. This cycle of highs and lows can leave you feeling tired and drained. And over time, those crashes can take a toll on your leg muscles. The constant strain can lead to long-term damage and deterioration. So, what can you reach for instead? The answer is simple and refreshing. Water, my friends. Water is the elixir of life. It's essential for every cell in your body and helps maintain optimal function. It keeps you hydrated, flushes out toxins, and supports healthy muscle function. Staying hydrated is key to keeping your muscles strong and your body energized. And if you're looking for a little flavor, try adding some fresh fruit slices or herbs. This can make your water more enjoyable and add a burst of natural flavor. Cucumber, lemon, mint. The possibilities are endless. These additions not only taste great, but also provide additional health benefits. Herbal teas are another great option. They offer a variety of flavors and can be enjoyed hot or cold. They're naturally sweet and packed with antioxidants that can help fight inflammation. These antioxidants are crucial in protecting your muscles and overall health. Remember, taking care of your legs starts with what you drink. Making healthier choices can have a profound impact on your well-being. So ditch the sugary drinks and embrace the power of water and herbal teas. Your body will thank you for making the switch. Your legs will thank you for it. By making these small changes, you can enjoy stronger, healthier legs and a more vibrant life. Now let's talk about another culprit that might be lurking in your refrigerator: processed meats. These seemingly innocent items can have a significant impact on your health, particularly your legs. I'm talking about those delicious but oh-so-naughty hot dogs, sausages, deli meats, you know the ones. They might be your go-to for a quick meal, but they come with hidden dangers. They're convenient, they're tasty, but they're loaded with sodium and preservatives that can wreak havoc on your body, especially your legs. The high sodium content is particularly concerning. See, that excess sodium can lead to water retention, which can make your legs feel swollen and heavy. This can be incredibly uncomfortable and even painful over time. And those preservatives? Well, they're just not good for you, period. They can contribute to a range of health issues, from inflammation to more serious conditions. Studies have shown that a diet high in processed meats can actually contribute to muscle loss as we age. This is particularly concerning for maintaining strong, healthy legs. And that's the last thing we want. Weak muscles can lead to a host of mobility issues and decrease your quality of life. So, what's the alternative? Opt for fresh, lean meats like chicken, fish, turkey, or even plant-based protein sources like beans and lentils. These options are not only healthier but also versatile and delicious. These foods are packed with nutrients that support muscle growth and repair, helping you maintain those strong legs you deserve. They provide the essential proteins and vitamins your body needs. Remember, you are what you eat. Your dietary choices have a direct impact on your physical health and well-being. And when you choose fresh, whole foods over processed options, you're choosing to nourish your body and support your overall health. Make the switch today for a healthier tomorrow. let's talk about fried foods. They are a staple in many diets around the world, and for good reason. They're delicious and satisfying. Now, I love a good French fry as much as the next person, and there's nothing wrong with indulging every now and then. But we have to be honest with ourselves about the impact these foods have on our bodies, especially as we age. Our metabolism slows down, and our bodies become less efficient at processing unhealthy fats. Those crispy golden brown treats are often swimming in unhealthy fats, the kind that can do more harm than good. These fats can clog your arteries and make it harder for your blood to circulate properly. And poor circulation? That's a recipe for tired, achy legs. Over time, this can lead to chronic discomfort and even more serious health issues. It can also lead to more serious conditions like varicose veins and even blood clots. These conditions not only affect your legs, but can also pose significant health risks. So what's the solution? It's all about making healthier choices in the kitchen. Small changes can make a big difference. Instead of frying, try baking, grilling, or roasting your favorite foods. These methods can be just as tasty. You'll still get that delicious flavor and satisfying crunch without all the unhealthy fats. Plus, these methods often bring out the natural flavors of the food. And here's a little secret. A sprinkle of herbs and spices can go a long way in adding flavor without adding fat. Experiment with different combinations to find what you love. Remember, taking care of your legs is about making choices that support your overall health. It's not just about avoiding pain, but enhancing your quality of life. Regular exercise, staying hydrated, and eating a balanced diet all contribute to better leg health. And choosing baked or grilled over fried is a simple but powerful step in the right direction. Your legs and your whole body will thank you. Now let's talk about a staple in many pantries: white bread. It's convenient, it's versatile, but is it really doing your legs any favors? The truth is, white bread is often stripped of its nutrients during processing, leaving you with empty calories that can spike your blood sugar and leave you feeling sluggish. And when your blood sugar is out of whack, it can lead to inflammation and fatigue, which can make your legs feel heavy and weak. So, what's the alternative? Reach for whole grain bread instead. It's packed with fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Plus, whole grains are a good source of B vitamins, which are essential for energy production and muscle function. Think about it. When you choose whole grain bread, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive, including those strong legs you're working so hard for. Now let's talk about alcohol. A glass of wine with dinner or a cocktail with friends can be a delightful part of life. But as with all things, moderation is key, especially when it comes to leg health. Excessive alcohol consumption can deplete your body of essential nutrients, including those that are crucial for muscle function. It can also interfere with your body's ability to absorb calcium, which is essential for strong bones. And as we know, strong bones are the foundation for strong legs. Not only that, but excessive alcohol can also dehydrate you, which can lead to muscle cramps and fatigue. So what's the solution? Enjoy alcohol in moderation if you choose to drink at all. And make sure to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, especially if you're enjoying an alcoholic beverage. Remember, taking care of your legs is about making choices that support your overall health. And enjoying alcohol in moderation is just one way to do that. Thank you for watching. Remember, making small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your leg strength and overall health. It's about making choices that nourish your body and support your well-being. It's about feeling vibrant and strong, no matter your age. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones. Let's empower each other to live our healthiest, most fulfilling lives. Stay healthy and strong.